Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priyanka aka the Clueless Artist, and in today's video we'll be painting this. So monsoon is here and I thought why not paint something related. So what we'll do is we will learn how to paint these droplets using poster colors in this video, and in coming video I'll do a complete painting using such droplets. So yeah, let's get started. We will start off with the top shade of the droplet. I am using a liner brush with black paint on it to draw a curve. Then using a clean damp brush, I'll just smudge the inside of the bubble. It should look transparent, so what I'll do is I'll take a little more water as I go downwards. I have painted a few more droplets in a similar manner here. Now once the paint dries, what we'll do is we'll add a slightly curved white line on the tops. This gives our droplets a three-dimensional look instead of being flat. And our droplets are done. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please hit the like button and let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and for more such videos please subscribe to the channel.